Illustration 11. Chandran is a sole trader dealing in sports items. From the following transactions, pass necessary journal entries for the month of March 2018. So you have here 10 transactions. These are the dates. First one, commenced business with cash. By this time you must be knowing what should be the entry. Whenever you see commenced business, it is to be treated as capital. And how are we bringing in this capital? In the way of cash. So cash is to be debited since we are bringing into the business, so it comes into the business. What comes in should be debited. So cash account data to capital account rupees 4 lakhs. Okay, this is how you will write. Since the sole trader, the person name is given, you will write cash account data to Chandran's capital account rupees 4 lakhs. Then the second one is cash deposited into bank. So here cash and bank are the accounts involved. Cash is being credited because you take cash from the business. Cash is moving out of the business, comes out of the business. So cash goes out, so it is to be credited. To whom are we giving? We are depositing it into the bank. So bank is the receiver. As per personal account, receiver should be debited. So the entry will be bank account data to cash account rupees 3 lakhs. Third one, purchased goods from Ravi and payment made through net banking. Now goods are being purchased, so whenever we see purchases, it is to be debited. So since it is goods, we are debiting the purchase account. We are purchasing from Ravi, but we made the payment through net banking. So net banking means bank account should come. So bank is the payer or giver of this amount. On behalf of us, the banker is paying. Okay, so bank is the giver here. So you'll write purchases account data to bank account rupees 90,000. The fourth one is sales made to Kumar, who deposited the money through CDM. CDM is cash deposit machine. Okay, so here sales means we will get income when we make sales. So automatically, as per nominal rule, sales should be credited. And how are we depositing the money? We have received, and we are depositing the money through the CDM, cash deposit. It means that the customer is depositing the money through the CDM. So this is again in the bank only, because bank only receive it, right? So bank will be debited. Bank account data to sales account will be the entry for this transaction, which is amounted to rupees 10,000. Sales made to Vivek, who made the payment by debit card rupees 60,000. Again, this is also a same kind of a transaction, wherein the difference is the previous transaction we saw CDM, now we are seeing debit card. Debit card means again we have to treat it as bank only. So sales account and bank account. So you'll write bank account data to sales account rupees 60,000 as your fifth entry. Bank account data to sales account rupees 60,000. Then sales made or sales sold goods to Kirtana, who made the payment through credit card. Okay, we are selling it to Kirtana. Kirtana is making payment through the credit card. Credit card means again we have to take it as bank. Okay, so sold goods means sales is a nominal account. We'll get income through sale. So credit the sales account. And how are we going to receive the amount? Through the bank. So bank will be debited. Entry will be bank account data to sales rupees 50,000. Then the next is dividend directly received by the bank. So here also dividend is a nominal account. When we receive, it is an income. Income and gains should be credited as per the nominal account. So since we are receiving dividend, this dividend account should be credited. And how are we receiving? By through the bank only we are receiving. So bank is the receiver here. So we'll debit him. Debit bank account. So bank account data to dividend account rupees 2,000. Okay, bank account data to dividend account rupees 2,000. Then money withdrawn from bank, ATM. Okay, money withdrawn from ATM means again ATM is bank only, right? Money withdrawn, so money is cash account, ATM is bank account. Withdrawn means we will be cash is coming in, so it has to be debited. From whom are we getting? We are getting through the bank. ATM is bank only, right? So bank should be credited since it is the giver. You will write cash account data to bank account rupees 3000. Ninth one, salaries paid through ECS. ECS is electronic clearing system. Again, this is also done only through the bank. So salaries as per salary is a nominal account since it is being paid. Salary is being paid. It's an expense to the business. So expenses should be debited as per the nominal account. So salaries will be debited. Through ECS we are making the payment, so through the bank, so bank is the giver. Salaries account data to bank account will be the entry for this transaction. Last one is cricket bats donated to a trust. So whenever you see this word donated, immediately that should be the account. Okay, that should be the first account, and the other one is purchase. It is just treated as charity. It is given as free of cost. It is being donated, right? So it is given as free of cost to the sports trust. So what happens here is the owner itself is purchasing the goods. That is what it is being treated as, since through this donations he is not going to gain any amount from the trust, so automatically it is considered as purchase, but here it will be credited. So whenever you see like charity or sales promotion, donations, all these things, you will credit the purchase account. Now you will write donations account debtor to purchases account rupees 10,000. Okay, so again whenever you see like net banking, online payment, CDM, that is cash deposit machine, or ATM, debit card, credit card, RTGS, NEFT, NEFT, ECS, ATM, all these are related to the bank transactions. So you will treat it as bank account only.